morning, guys and gals. Froggy here. That is my K&N filter for my Suburban, '02 Suburban 1500 truck, and I'm going to show you how to clean it. That's the clean side. That's the dirty side. Now, first, how did I get it out? Well, there's 4 screws. This is the gearbox right here. You just undo 4 screws and you lift it up like that, and it just comes out. You don't need to do anything more than that. Now, they sell a kit for cleaning. Here it is right here. Sorry about the glare. And you can use that. You can do that. I have had luck just using good old Purple Power cleaner and rinsing it with water. I do like to use the K&N oil, which is this oil to spray back on there. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to get my spray bottle of, boy, that exposure is bad. Sorry. Come on. Boy, I can't even see my meter. There. That's better. Sorry about that. So I'm going to use Purple Power. You can buy this kit if you want to, and I am going to use the K&N filter to re-oil it. So here we go. Okay, so that's a 50-50 mix of Purple Power and water, a soft bristle brush, and I've got my hose to spray it. You do not want to damage this. You see there's a couple of little tiny damage spots there, if you can see them. But I mean, it's not that delicate. But you don't want to be scrubbing this with any metal brush or anything like that. Just spray it. Spray it, soak it good with Purple Power. Let it sit for a couple minutes. Spray it both sides. I'm going to flip it over. Okay. That's the clean side. That's the dirty side. Let me use 2 hands. So I soaked it really good, and I'm going to spray it mostly from the clean side so that the contaminants get pushed out in the direction they came in. Okay? Let's see. 2 hands. See how I'm doing it? Just like that. And after I've sprayed it for a while, I'll flip it over and I'll hit the other side lightly. Okay, that's pretty clean. I'm going to let that air dry now, and I'm going to grab some lunch. I'll be back. You may notice I did not even use that soft bristle brush because it didn't seem to need it. I'm just setting it in the shade now. It's a really nice, low humidity, sunny day here. So I'm going to let that drip dry. Then I might put a little air, compressed air to it, but lunchtime right now. Okay, I'm back. Let's see how we're doing here. Some wetness on the bottom. I think I can get some compressed air and blow that out. I don't want to have to wait hours and hours for this to dry. Okay, my compressor was running, so here I'll show you. Just blowing it off like that. It's in the sun. I think I'm gonna put it up here for about up there for maybe another half hour, 40 minutes, and then I'm gonna put it in. I'm gonna oil it and then put it in. It's not totally dry, obviously, but I just don't want this to be an all-day long project. I'll be back. Okay, we're ready to oil this. I'm holding this up to the sunlight now, and you can see through it pretty good. It's pretty clean. You're going to apply the oil on the side that is going to become the dirty side, which is what I'm facing right now. And to do that, I spread out a newspaper. I'm just going to spray like this, back and forth, back and forth. It's better to do 2 or 3 light sprays rather than one heavy spray and have it dripping. Okay, I need 2 hands. They put a red dye in the oil so that you can see if you've got complete coverage. I think I have actually got really good coverage now. I might flip it 180 degrees because I was spraying on an angle this way. But that's looking pretty good. You do this, you want to do it like you were spraying with a can of spray paint. So kind of like this. I just did that one for demonstration. I'm pretty much done. I'm going to install this back into the box. So this surface where the seal will be, I'm going to put the silicone on like I did on the other video I did of cleaning the throttle body. So it fits in like that. These are all custom sized, so you have to have the right size for your vehicle. So I'm going to put this down. Let's see. There may be a little bit of sealing on this upper lip too, so I'll put a little more silicone there. 4 screws and it's done. Well, okay, that's it. I marked down that I oiled it, cleaned it and oiled it this month. It's almost May actually. I probably should have put 5 of 20, but let's see how it starts up. Okay, here we go. I haven't staged this or anything. Let's just give it a crank. That's with the AC on. Turn the AC off. It's idling a little high, which it should do that when it's a cold engine. And then it should start to drop down, which it looks like it is doing. I'm not going to sit here and wait till it gets down to 600 RPM. It should be about 650, give or take 50, I guess. I think it's going to be good. So give me a thumbs up or a like if this helps you out. Subscribe to my channel. If you want more from Froggy, click on the bell if you want notifications. Be safe, have fun. Froggy out. Bye-bye.